Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Call Boss Lee, and today we got the Fam Bam out here, and we're going to go ahead and rip these RCs. We got my Traxxas sitting over here. We got Brian's Typhoon over there, which Danielle's about to break it.
Oh.
And then we have Brian. What do we got here?
It's a brand new Kraton, Mitchie. Look at this thing.
Holy shit! This is the 1/8 scale.
Look at that nasty.
Arrma Kraton. It'll run 4 or 6 cells.
We'll run 4 right now and then see what happens. Look, Mitchie, all buttered up, baby.
All buttered up, baby. Alrighty, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and rip these and cut you to the montage. Brian, what's on the street over there, man? So we got the Kraton. We got 4 cells in it right now.
Yeah, we're gonna put 6 in here for sure. But I'll do a wheelie on.
Sure, it'll wheelie on 6 cell.
Hold on, let me get the steering straight. This thing's running to the left. Mitchie, we need 6 thumbs up, buddy.
In order to wheelie?
You ready?
For it. It almost did. That's what happens when you full send it. The battery just comes popping out of the thing.
It still runs, though. Good job.
Yeah, it still runs, baby. We got this.
Good job, baby. Yeah! Yep.
Oh! Backflip down! Man, Brian, what happened, man?
Yeah, look what you did. This is you're making me do shit.
Well, the tie rod's just dangling right there. Brian, this truck was brand new.
I know, Mitch.
This truck was brand new, man. Well, that truck's done.
Well, now what?
I guess we just move on to the street, huh?
Street cars!
Alrighty, ladies
Whoa,
and gentlemen.
There it is!
What do we got, Brian?
Mitchie, look.
We got Brian's 1/7 in
Look
traction.
at, did you see? New tires because we freaking spun the last ones out.
New tires. He's gonna be running 6 cells.
Look, Castle.
We got
that thing
Castle 3 cell and that infraction. That's a 1/8.
Brand spanking new.
We got my infraction sitting over here with the Spectrum 3 cell in it. We're gonna run 3 cell on that.
Up.
And it's all buttered up, so we're gonna go ahead and start ripping.
And Danielle, she goes for the Peter's curve. It's called Mitch's curve.
Oh, shit.
No petty.
Oh!
Nice.
Yeah, the tires are working, Mitch. A lot better now, huh? You ready?
Brian!
Mitchie, not bad, buddy.
Not bad. The infraction held in the 1/7 scale, but this was
body right there.
I did crack
this was
the shit
the
out of it.
this was was the brand new truck.
Brand new, another one down.
You're welcome.
Was brand new, but you know, it's all right. But you know, it's good. But anyways, did everyone else have fun today, guys?
Yay!
Alrighty, guys. So that concludes today's video. If you have not already, so like and subscribe to Quad Boss Athlete, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
Aww, super adorable, man.
It's what you make it.